You've been waiting a long time, haven't you?
Come on, don't give up on me now. You're tougher than this rust.
Original block, matching numbers. You're a survivor. Dirty, but solid. You've held on for 80 years, but today, you're letting go.
There we go, one down. Only 1,000 more to go.
Not as bad as I thought. You've still got a good spine under all that rot.
Well, hello there, son. I wondered who sat in this seat before me.
Don't you worry. We're gonna do this right. For both of you.
Time to come out of your shell. Keep your weight centered for me now. Steady. There you go. Take a breath, old girl. You're free.
This is where we find out what's really left of you. Time to strip away the years.
There you are. I knew you were still in there. Look at that steel.
There you are, hidden under 80 years of rust. That's a deep one, but we'll weld you back together.
There. Better than the day you left the factory. You're strong again.
Let's see who you really are.
Come on, break loose. I'm not leaving you in there.
You've seen some miles, haven't you? Scored but not broken. We'll get you back to factory spec.
There we go, steady. You're the backbone of this whole thing. Let's get you cleaned up.
8 years of carbon, gone in 20 minutes.
0.001, almost there. You're gonna have a fresh set of lungs soon, old girl. $30,000's over. A perfect fit. You're gonna have more power than the day you were born.
Second gear is chewed to pieces. I should have known.
So does it take you? Found you, you beauty. Perfect, pristine, and ready for another 80 years. Let's get you home.
Perfect fit. Now you're exactly where you belong. Let's see how you spin.
Can't have a Jeep that won't stop. Precision bends, that's how we did it in 42. Whew.
Let's see if there's any steel left in there.
Whew.
You're a tough old bird. Stained but solid. We can work with this. Don't you fight me now.
You're going back on your feet.
There. Solid as a rock. Now you've got a pair of legs to stand on.
6 inches, dead on. You're straight as an arrow, old girl. Exactly how it should be. No more slop in this wheel. I want you to feel every pebble in the road, just like you used to.
Olive drab, the most beautiful color in the world. You're starting to look like a soldier again. Almost there. Stay seated. You're the shoes this old soldier deserves. Down you go. Back where you belong. Take your place, old friend. Woo. 1/8 of an inch. After all this, you're still gonna fight me. Well, I'm not moving until you're in.
You will obey. Move, you stubborn piece of iron!
One wire at a time. No shortcuts. Every spark has to find its way home. All right, old girl, you've got fuel, you've got spark. Let's see if you remember how to roar.
Come on. So me.
One wire at a time. No shortcuts. Every spark has to find its way home. All right, old girl, you've got fuel, you've got spark. Let's see if you remember how to roar.
Wheel arch is soft, and that dent has a story to tell. We'll keep the character, but we've got to fix the rot. Solid as a rock. No one will ever know there was a hole here. You're whole again. Just a touch more, there. You've got to be as straight as the day you were drafted. Night and fortitude, lusterless. Not too green, not too brown. Exactly like the day you were born. There you are. I almost forgot how handsome you were. Welcome home, soldier. There you are. I've missed that smile. Now you look like a Willie's again.
Look at that. Your eyes are open. You're ready for the night shift again.
0 miles on the clock. A new life for an old veteran. Let's see if those needles still know how to dance. Tighter than a drum, just the way it's supposed to be. Keep pulling.
There you go. Now everyone knows who you are.
A real shrew.
Solid. Now we've finally got a place to sit. It's almost time, isn't it? Last bit of plumbing. Nice and tight. No leaks for 80 years, I hope.
Oil's gold. Water's green.
You're full of life, old girl.
Let's see what you can do.
There. Now you can see where you're going. Looking like a proper soldier now.
Here we go. Don't be shy now. Let's show them you've still got it.
Look at you. Welcome back to the sun, soldier. Straight and true. You're home now, old girl. Let's see what else we can find. Axe and shovel. Now you're ready for the front lines again, just in case the road gets tough. USA 2034, there you go. You're not just a Jeep anymore, you're a part of history. 5 for 5. That's it. You're all here. Every nut, every bolt, every memory.
Full tank of the good stuff. The work is done. Time to see what we built.
Look out! Just look at you! You're home! There we go. Both axles working together. You haven't lost your bite, have you? Look at that. 40 miles an hour and smooth as silk. You're flying, old girl.
We did it. You're home, you're home, you're whole, and you're never gonna be forgotten.
There, clean as a whistle. You look like you just rolled off the assembly line at Willie's Overland. Sleep well, soldier. See you in the morning. There's no feeling like this. Smooth as silk and tough as nails. You're doing great, soldier. See you on the other side, soldier. We did good.